Now in the group stage processing, as I mentioned, I have this group here. First thing I like to do is I like to run it through a reverb. Like this one, for example. I mean, you can really use anything. Like I like to use the hybrid reverb for this because it's quite straightforward. You can use different presets or whatever and then just adjust to your needs. Let's say we use drums in obviously now it sounds extreme because it's on 100%. Could be cool. Oh, what's this here? It's using, make it a bit shorter.